I became rich from a bird, and here's how Part 2. The first heist. That night, Jack couldn't stop thinking about the bird. He had named it Midnight, after its dark plumage. As he lay under the bridge, his stomach rumbling with hunger, he wondered if the old man's story had been a scam. But the next morning, Jack decided to test Midnight. He released the bird from its cage, whispering instructions as if the bird could understand him. "Go on, Midnight. Find something shiny." With a flap of its wings, Midnight took off into the city. Jack watched it disappear into the distance, his heart pounding with both hope and fear. Hours passed, and Jack began to lose hope, thinking he had been tricked after all. But as dusk fell, Midnight returned, something glinting in its beak. It dropped the item into Jack's hands, a gold bracelet, delicate and sparkling with diamonds. Jack's eyes widened in disbelief. The bird had really done it, realizing the potential of his new friend. Jack quickly sold the bracelet to a pawn shop, earning more money than he had seen in years. For the first time in a long while, Jack bought himself a hot meal and a warm coat.
Like a follow for Part 3.